What's going on, everyone? I am Daniel Candia, and today I'm here on an unboxing and review of a product that was sent to me from the company Saicoo. And you can find it at saicoo.com as well as into the social networks, which are going to be located down below in my description box. So feel free to go check that out. And to the company Saicoo sent me this Saicoo high output 8 amps/40 watts car charger with 5 USB ports. And this is the hub of USB ports for your car, and this is gonna be target for those families that are bigger than 3 or 4 to charge their smart devices, since nowadays most families that travel in the car, they have 4 to 3 smartphones. So this is gonna be helpful for them. So let's go check this out. So here we have the packaging, as you can see in the front, and it comes in a white and blue packaging with the name of the product, which is the Saicoo high output car charger, 5 USB ports. And let's go check this out. This is the first time I see something like this. All usual car chargers that I have seen before are 3 to 2, so this is 5. That's pretty big. So let's go check this out. Here in the front we have the name of the product. In the sides, left and right, bottom and top, we got nothing. If we proceed to the back, we have full specifications about this product as well as pricing. You can check all specifications, but I have a link to the website, to Saicoo's website, for you to go check that out if you want full detailed specifications. So let's go and check this out. I have used this for about a week and a half, 2 weeks, and this has been a really nice product that I carry with my family in the car, as I don't drive, but I always take advantage of that USB port in the car. So here we have it, and it comes in black, as you can see, and it also comes with 2 extras, which is the I'm gonna tell you right now in a bit. And let's put that back too. We have that there. So I'm gonna put this to the side. So here we have it, and as you can see, it comes in the black color, as well as everything is most likely black. And as you can see, we have nothing like rubber pads or anything, but there is a solution for that, which I'm gonna go in a second with you. And we got 5 USB ports, all located right here, and each USB port has an individual on and off button, which is gonna help you to control the power. You just have to press this button to see if to power that device. And we have a a regular car charger, as you can see, the one that looks like a, I'll show you. It comes tangled with this Velcro strip. So let me take that off and I'll show you that. And it's a pretty lengthy cable. I believe it's 83 centimeters, and this is gonna go into your cigarette or your lighter port in your car. And this is gonna only work in your car, since this only has this. So this is for those that want to have USB ports in the car. So make sure this is gonna be helpful for your car. So we got that, and the cable, as I say, is about 32 centimeters. I mean 83 centimeters and 33 inches, I believe. And it's very lengthy. I don't think you're gonna use that much, but I actually did, so you're probably gonna use that much cable. We have the USB hub, which is made out of plastic, as you can see, but it feels heavier, like a bit heavier than the usual. And so let's go and check this out. So these things that I was telling you, these are Velcro tabs, which we get 2, you know, as usual. Velcro works with one is rugged and one is soft. What you're gonna be doing is either one of them. Let's say I'm gonna get the soft one. What I'm gonna be doing is this white part, I'm gonna peel it off and stick it to the back of the USB hub and put it right there, as you can see. Once you have that stick in there, you go into your car, in the other side, which is like a rough one, you're gonna peel that off as well, and you're gonna place it wherever you wanted to have this. So for example, if I wanted to have this in the dashboard, I will peel this off, and it's gonna be sticky. So I'm gonna stick it to the surface of my dashboard, which is where I wanna have this. And once I stick this there, I'm gonna come with my USB hub, and that USB hub is gonna have the soft part, which is the other side of the Velcro system. So every time I get there, what I'm gonna be wanting to do is just stick them together in order for me to have a secure fit of my ports or USB hub, so it's not gonna be moving around your car. The cable is so long that this could actually go into your pedals, and you don't want that to happen. So yeah, this is a high output car charger that outputs 8 amps / 40 watts, which it is a lot. This has 5 USB charging ports that will give you high-speed charging rates. So as I was saying, this is not your like average USB car charger. If you're on the road for a long trip, about an hour, that's how long it's gonna take you, or an hour and a half it's gonna take you to charge an iPhone from dead battery to 100%. So I had tried this, and it's a bit faster than the usual power brick. So I'd rather charge this in the car, my devices in the car, than in the power brick if I am out and about. Each port has an on and off switch, which I have explained you. As you can see, I'm gonna show you to you. Each USB port has the switch, which is in this side, right here. All of them are located, and they give you a tactile feedback every time you press them, so that's pretty cool. Also, each port has a LED indicator, which it works by a white LED. It means that is a USB port for Apple devices, and a blue LED. It is a port for non-Apple devices such as Android devices, and that will cover Windows, and I believe that's it, Windows and Android. So if you have a Windows or Android device, feel free to check this out, because this works with that. So that's very helpful for all of those people that even in the family they have like Apple and Android and Windows devices, because not one is equal, so that's good. This has a safely charged system, which means that this would safely charge most standard USB power devices. That safely charged system is something such as surge protector system, but I believe Saicoo call it safely charged system in order to, I don't know why they would call it like that, but that what it means is like it probably wouldn't get any over voltage or overpower into the system, and that would avoid to get your devices in problems like burning some part of the system or some chips. A ports are for Apple devices, and NA ports are for non-Apple devices such as I was saying, Samsung Galaxy S3, S4, S5, HTC One M7, M8, Note 2, 3, and the coming up 4, as well as the Oppo Find 7 and the OnePlus One, or the LG G3, which are all the new devices that work with the Android system. So that's what you're looking for. If you have Android devices, don't you think this is only for Apple? This is gonna work with all of those devices. So all of these ports are not only for Apple. As I say, all ports that have an A to the side, they are for Apple, and ports that have an NA to the side are for non-Apple devices, which is gonna be including Samsung's or Android devices, HTC's, and other devices such as Motorola, LG, and Microsoft system devices. This could also charge tablets, such as if you have an Apple tablet, you would have to use the A port, or the one with a white LED, which is going to charge Apple iPad Airs, iPad minis, which is very helpful. And as you can see, they're all laid out, and each USB port has an individual LED light. As I say, white LEDs are for Apple devices, and blue LEDs are for non-Apple devices. By the way, the A ports or the white LED ports will work with Blackberries. So if you think Blackberry is for the NA or blue LED ports, no, Blackberries would work with the A ports or the white LED ports, which is really cool. This has an input DC of 12 volts up to 24 volts. Typical voltage for USA cars. So those are the typical voltage, and the ones are supported by this USB hub. I'm gonna repeat that: 12 volts up to 24 volts, which is the typical voltage from the USA cars. This outputs 5 volts and 8 amps max, or 40 watts. This gives you a combined total of max 8 amps. So that's pretty cool, because average 5 ports USB hubs, they have a total of 8 amps, which is really nice, and that would charge iPads and smartphones at the same time. And that's not very well, it is usual, but actually those devices such as hubs, they will cost about $20 to $30, $25 to $30. And if you want to find out pricing about this, it's gonna be on the description. You just have to click any of the links to Amazon or to Saicoo's website. Either of them may have it cheaper or expensive, so it's a win-win scenario. Finally, the cable length, as I was saying, it was 33 inches or 83 centimeters, which is just enough for all of those that are looking to have this in the middle of the car. Like, for example, if you're the driver, you can put this in the elbow or the arm rest area. Just put it there, and you know, you can stick it there if you want it, so this won't move around. And you can have the cable nicely managed with the Velcro, and it's not gonna give you that much trouble at all. So that's pretty much it about this, guys. If you guys did like it, please give it a big thumbs up, as it's gonna really help my channel. And if you guys like it a lot, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, Daniel Candia 219 Tech, for more awesome content such as this one. Thank you to Saicoo for sending me this product out for review, and thank you to you guys for being my all-time supporters. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye and peace.